In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set the tabs on Safari web browser to close automatically after a certain amount of time. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. Then just scroll down until you find Safari. And that's where we are looking for the option which is called Close Tabs. If we get into it, we can see that now on my device it is set to manually, so in this case tab will not be closed automatically. However, we can configure automatically closing for 1 day, 1 week or 1 month. I'm gonna tap at 1 week, so all the tabs now after 1 week has passed will be closed automatically. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.